Hey guys, I'm just waiting for. Hi,
hello.
Bird. I'm just waiting for Aiden to do our next video challenge. Whoa, Aiden!
What if we just squirted in?
Welcome in. Aiden, we can't see your head.
Oh.
Hi. So me, Erin, Aiden, and Katie Bird are going to be doing a vending machine challenge. We have about $18 to be spent on the vending machine.
We shook it off of all of our relatives.
And there's lots of vending machines in this hotel, so we gotta find the best snacks, right?
Yeah.
Candy, snacks, cookies, and soda.
Oh, and soda too.
Fanta.
Fanta.
We have to make the most interesting.
Yeah, maybe just like a couple sodas to wash down the weird snacks.
Yeah.
So we're gonna review them and let you know what the best vending machine snacks are.
So let's go.
Let's go! Alright, we're checking the downstairs vending machine
Alright,
first.
let's go. Come on, everybody.
Upstairs. Vending machine should be right.
Oh snap! I'm so
I
excited.
never had one in my life. Caramel cream.
You know what? I want a Fanta. I want a Fanta
Cookies.
Put a dollar in.
Yes,
So how does this whole thing
I'm
work?
having it first.
So we're gonna get a bunch of snacks and we're gonna sit down and try them out. And rank.
That's gonna like
It's not a
explode
blindfold
everywhere.
test.
No.
Change come out.
Oh,
Oh, what? We got some change.
Cool.
Oh my gosh,
How
only
did that
50
work?
cents.
Only 50 cents. Alright, should we get one more drink then?
Yeah, we should get one more drink.
Come from?
Wait,
Aiden, you were supposed to get Sprite, so something
I thought
different.
you wanted
That's okay, I love Fanta. Okay, so no more drinks?
to. Yeah, I guess so.
Alright,
Put the
Uncle
meat
Sherry
in
will
the
help
bag.
We
holding.
need a bag.
Boys.
Okay, now,
Now
snack.
Peanut choose.
Alright, do you want to do E5? I hope they have French fries.
Doritos.
B0.
No, I want those guy things. I've never tried them.
They're not guys, they're just potato chips.
Ew. Your hands are sweaty.
I know, it's from holding the money. Getting nervous.
Twizzlers.
Caramel cream. This is so fun. I should just always eat out of a vending machine. It's so cheap.
A new vending machine diet, 2020, do me.
I lost 80 pounds on the vending machine diet.
Yeah.
And got heart disease 30 years earlier.
You know, people, I need some.
All right, we gotta be careful opening that now. It's all gonna be shook up.
Yeah, we do. Oh no, donuts.
Mini donuts.
Yeah. D4. What? It don't.
They said not fan.
It don't take a 5.
It says.
5. Yeah.
All right, we have to go to the bank, get some more ones so we can get our donuts. They're only on level 5, everyone.
Some Baltimore Sun headlines caught my attention.
Why do you still have that magazine?
What do you
Is that
think,
a
Lily?
magazine? It's a newspaper.
Oh, did you show them your like flex on us all with your it's not vintage. It's like limited
We're here
edition.
for food for champions.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Let's go eat it. We're back. All right, we got about 20 different snacks that we're ready to try.
Huh?
I want this. I'm gonna have it first.
Can we do these
I'm having
first
it
so Lily can have some?
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna do Cheetos. Here, show the camera each one we're doing. Cheetos.
Not flaming hot.
And what are these
I'm
called?
opening them.
Peanut chews.
They're
That's
so
not
All right,
good.
open them.
Open it low, ready?
Open.
Alright. Cheeto?
Oh, yum.
Oh, we should rank them on a scale of 1
Oh
to 10.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I rank this one. I rank this one. I think 8. I rank this one 8.5.
I love Cheetos.
I said 7.
I'm literally
I had
giving
better.
it a 10.
Should I get a pen and paper?
Yeah. I'm literally giving it a
Alright, Lily, you
10.
can finish
Okay.
them.
These.
Peanut chews. I don't know if I've ever had them.
They're
Katie
so
picked
good.
these.
The first time I ever had them was in Ocean City, and I was like, oh, yes.
Wow. A Maryland classic.
I give out
Dessert.
1,000. I give out 1,000.
What's the
1,000?
Cheeto consensus?
Yep.
7.
Cheetos, 10.
Cheetos 8.5.
Do your math.
Lily gives it a 10.
What,
They're
what
very-
did you give it, Aaron?
I give Cheetos a 10.
Actually, I give it an 8.
Don't
I want that for more.
roll it. No.
And I give it 8.5.
Okay.
These.
Are chewy, and they are called peanut chews, so it makes sense.
I do these. I give these 10.
I gotta stop eating it to make room for the rest of everything.
You
No.
want to try this, Lil?
Yeah.
No, you,
can
won't
finish
like
mine. It's very chewy.
I know that.
I want another Cheeto.
Aaron?
I need them.
Peanut cheese?
Oh, peanut chews. A 6.
I'm doing a 10.
8.
10.
Wow. You guys are kind of on the same page. I'm a little.
Well, you're a wild card there.
All right.
Lily, you're blocking my camera view.
Can we open the Fanta so we have something to wash it down with?
Yeah.
The problem with this Fanta, or Fanta as I sometimes say,
And this
don't
one.
you want a Fanta?
I don't
Is
know if
Aiden
that's the
was
song.
literally shaking them. So, whew,
I hope Aiden's explodes on him.
Are you going to rate the Fanta?
me too, kind of.
I love Fanta.
I already know I'm gonna give it a 10.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Oh
Actually,
my god, I can't open it.
I don't know. I feel like I've had better. I'm gonna give this one
Well,
an
this
8.
one has like a dent on the side.
Okay, it didn't explode.
It's old.
Fanta.
I'd give it an 8.
Can I try?
I give it
Yeah.
a 10.
Would you like to try peanut chew?
Ooh. I'll do
Is it
the
cherry berry?
Yummy, yum.
Lily thought that was funny.
You're not in the
good.
frame. Now you are. Yum. Wow, I'm so popular when I buy thousands of foods from the
I
vending
love
machine.
orange.
That's all of a
soda.
sudden everyone wants to be in the video.
And then we tried this.
I'm
Try
gonna give the Fanta.
No, I think we should try
A
these.
9. I love orange.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll give
baked
Fanta a 9
cheese
too.
curls.
All right, baked cheese curls, and what are these called, Aiden?
I don't know.
Caramel.
Caramel creams.
Good job on the peanut chews.
Right? They're good. These would be like cheese puffs. I love cheese puffs. Have you tried these before, Lily?
Oh my god.
Lily's
I've
eating all my
never
Cheetos.
Did you rate the peanut chews or the Cheetos?
I didn't get a Cheeto. Peanut
Oh
chew.
my gosh.
All right,
These
I'm
are
gonna
so
try a cheese curl. I call them cheese puffs. Maybe I don't. What are
Peanut
cheese
chew.
puffs?
I'd buy them again. Definitely a 10.
Cheese curl? 10.
This one,
What these?
this one, I go over
Cheese
10.
curls. The
Wow,
puffs.
you like to
Yes,
know
cheese
some people.
puffs.
You're cool.
Cheese puffs. No, I like Cheetos better than puffs.
No, these
Mm.
are bad.
I like
Really?
Oh,
These are better than
really
anything.
good.
I like toes better than puffs.
10.
Yeah.
All right. I go back to the peanut chews like a 9.
Napkin.
Oh my gosh, these are so good.
I like your finger.
Oh,
you
those
already
are
gave
good.
me a 10 on it. You put me into a 9?
I should eat these. I should eat these.
Oh,
I give cheese curls
You're all done?
an 8.
You want to try one of these?
I gotta try a caramel chew.
Yeah, it's so good.
Aiden, cheese curl?
Cheese curd. Wait, what are they?
Wait,
Did you
these?
try one?
What are these?
Those are Cheetos. Cheese
These are
curls.
called cheese.
Curls. These are curls,
Oh,
those are
try one of
Cheetos.
these.
You need to do the Cheetos. They already
I
did.
did a cheese curl and I gave it a 10.
Okay.
I'm trying the caramel cream RN.
Me too. I love these because their stomachs
Cheetos
are
crunchy.
so good.
10. I'm going for the cheese and
They
salty.
should sell just cream.
Okay.
And
the
I need
Caramel
an
stomachs.
Aiden cheese curl.
Well, so now we're doing the
And I need a Katie
Caramel.
cheese curl.
caramel or caramel?
Katie cheese curl 10.
What are these called?
Caramel cream.
See, I say
Caramel
caramel,
cream.
but then if I'm ordering at Starbucks, I say
Caramel
caramel.
cream.
Okay.
Caramel cream. 10.
What does this say?
Actually, these are good.
It
I
says
remember hating these things before.
cara,
It says Cara.
caramel, cara. It really says caramel. I know it's caramel, but sometimes you just gotta say caramel.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It has
I'm
a weird
enjoying all these
aftertaste.
snacks.
I said 6.
For the caramel
I've had
know
better.
7.
No, I've had better.
Aaron?
I'm gonna give her a 6.
Yeah, maybe a 6.
I think so her.
Oh, but there's one more.
I like the
There's lots more.
center.
It is, but you have all this to eat still.
If I could just eat all the center.
That's what we said. Caramel
Lily
stomachs.
loves the cheese puffs. Look at her fingers. Oh, she has such baby hands. Look at them.
All right, what should we try next?
These.
A Rice Krispie. Well, I'll just take a bite off of it. Hold it up.
You have somebody else you want to join
Giant Rice
Got in that
Krispie.
raisin.
in? We're tasting everything.
I'll take it.
All right, take a big old bite.
So good. You gotta take it.
We're not gonna feel good after this.
Yeah.
I feel good. I feel happy.
And are you still eating dinner?
Of course, I'm still eating dinner.
Yo,
Oh.
Aiden, take it easy, boy.
Yeah. Do you want to share with the rest of the group, or should
Okay.
we just go by
Is
the
anybody
room?
having trouble? I can't get the caramel chew off the roof of my mouth.
I know.
No,
I was thinking
it's stuck
that
a little
though.
bit in my teeth. though. I heard that's good for your teeth.
I feel like getting candy stuck in like
Here we go.
crevices of your teeth is probably not good.
We're back.
Okay.
No more Cheeto hands. Yay!
Katie was ready to try the Rice Krispie.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
so I took a bite of
Pass
Rice
it around.
Krispie. Had better.
You did take a bite?
Yeah, I took a tiny bite. Oh yeah, let's do these next. I'm excited for these.
I think
Eat them.
No, try this, Lily. Try this now.
Oh
No,
No.
no for the.
I think I ranked the Rice Krispie a 5. It's
I
good,
give it
but
like a
it's
3.
a
Really?
3.
Yeah.
I give it a 7 then to
I
balance out the
I
3.
gave it a 9.5.
You really liked it?
Yeah.
Aiden
Want the Pop
ranks
Tart?
everything very high. He loves snacks. All right, Lily wants to try the strawberry Pop-Tart that she just crushed. So, crushed strawberry Pop-Tart.
Okay.
What's your favorite flavor of Pop-Tart?
I also that kind.
Brown cinnamon sugar.
This is
Oh, yeah.
strawberry.
I think-
Definitely the fruit flavor.
Yeah, I like
Fruit
fruit.
filled.
There's one that has like rainbow sprinkles on it. I like that one.
And
Just
if they
the
don't
rainbow
have
sprinkles.
icing, just forget about it.
Yeah, I think they should make Pop-Tarts that are all like icing
And
on both
icing
sides,
all over.
no rooms, uncrustable
Here we
Pop-Tarts.
go. Here you go.
You try some?
I'm going to try some.
I would say.
I wish it was toasted. I wish I could just eat the icing with the raspberry.
I didn't
Yeah.
get any yet.
I
Oh.
give it a 4.
I need one.
You want these ones? Okay.
I had them.
I give it a 3.
These
I don't like it very much.
I'll give it a 5.5.
Well, you know it's bad if Aiden's ranking it.
I'm going to go down in the 3.
Is Smart Food
After
white
everything
cheddar
else being
popcorn. I already know it's a 10.
I
First-
love white cheddar popcorn.
bursts of flavor and everything else.
Yeah.
No, no,
Yes.
No, we didn't.
White cheddar popcorn.
Dig in.
10.
Ooh. Did you get any, Aaron?
No, I want. I'm so
Hey,
bad.
let Aaron get some.
I rank 10.
How about you, Lily?
I want more of the flavor.
Cheetos are better.
Lily says yeah.
I know.
Really?
I'm going to have to go for a
Still good though.
5.
A 5.
She's a hard ranker.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
No, I'm not.
8 is still great.
Cheese curls,
That's true.
Cheetos just gave me a wow.
You're
Burst
gonna
of flavor.
Alright, should we try the
are
potato skins?
faster. Oh
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah, I never had those.
TGI
before.
Fridays, potato skins, cheddar, and bacon.
What do you think about the popcorn, Eden? What did you say?
10. I said 10.
Oh, you 10?
Mhm.
Thank
I
you.
didn't expect it to look like this. It looks like a little eggy.
Thank you.
Mm.
Looks like a guitar pick.
Oh, this is good if you're like really craving like a potato skin or like a salty meal, but you
This
don't have
is
any.
disgusting.
It smells like the restaurant.
It
Three.
tastes like a Pringle that's dipped in like cheddar and
I
bacon powder.
hate Pringles.
Oh yeah, definitely gives a Pringle vibe.
I would never buy them again, so I guess giving that a 1.
Lily's gonna like, is Lily allowed to eat this much? I feel like for such a small person, she ate like 3 bags of Cheetos and
Well, she didn't eat breakfast.
I think I
Or
give it
lunch.
a 3.
What do you
I
think?
thought you just
Aiden?
said it was good.
I mean, I don't
He's very
wouldn't want to
serious.
eat
I'll
it.
give a 9, an 8.5.
An
Wow.
8.5?
Yeah.
Wow.
So you like them?
Yeah, kind of.
There you go. They're all yours.
All right, we have mostly
Oh,
sweet
yay.
things left. We have
Here,
Doritos,
Lily.
Which everybody likes.
rich
We all know
cheese,
that.
Skittles, Starburst, sugar wafers, mini
Here,
donuts, and
Lily's like, this is
Twizzlers,
a life.
and cookies.
Hey.
The cameraman is trying.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay, no. Now we open Skittles.
Skittles. Give everyone like a couple. We can say
Oh.
what flavor it is.
Cameraman gives it a 5.
Thank you.
Tastes a little rancid. I like the flavor, but it tastes a little.
Oh, Aiden's making himself a
I hate
million.
when my snacks are
We've
rancid.
been in there since.
Give myself a
What
million.
are we doing?
These are wild berry Skittles.
Do we
I
take
prefer
one
original.
flavor?
You can
Because
taste a
I
couple
know I
flavors.
like the grape. I know I like the pink.
Your hands are
I don't even
extremely
think they're
clammy.
grape. They're called berry punch. The purple is berry punch, pink is strawberry, red is wild cherry, green is
Berry punch.
melon berry, and blue is raspberry.
I gave myself a handful.
I'll give it a 6 because they're good, but it's just not my thing.
I like regular Skittles so much better.
I'm gonna go for a 10. Love them.
I'm gonna go for a 7.5.
Okay, I
Yeah.
ranked the purple a 7, the blue a 6, the pink a 9. Just kidding.
I
good.
rank 'em-
8.
I rank 'em,
Can I try the pink?
a 7.5.
I
You
rank
don't
them a
like them that
7.
much?
7.5.
I bet everyone would have ranked regular
Yeah, but
Skittles
you
a 10.
gave like those other things like 8.
I'm gonna
You
do
don't
like
like
a,
'em?
a
I
mixed
don't like those
berry.
ones.
Eat all 3 at the same time.
I like them. Oh, they're good. I give them a 10.
Okay, what next? You want more, Lily?
Let's do sugar wafers.
Sugar wafers.
I love these. Oh my gosh, the chocolate and strawberry ones.
Yeah, do they still sell those?
So
they used to
good.
have at the grocery store.
Are you
like,
sure you're not
you could
tired
pick
and ready
out
for
the
a nap,
different
Lily?
ones.
Not for my popcorn.
You want to take a nap? Okay. She's done with the Cheetos. She's hashtag over it. Oh, what's in your hand?
Skittles.
That's why she wants to take a nap.
Uh-oh. Can
You're
you
gonna be
just
so-
bite it open?
I'm gonna jump over the table and get hurt if we can't do this. Like, it's
Whoa.
You could just like bang it against the table.
We could like eat the plastic too and see.
Yeah.
That doesn't even
We need
work.
some scissors.
Yeah, we might have to halt this operation. Oh, got it.
Woo!
Here we go.
Dig in.
Don't I break one of
Yeah.
them? It's a little dusty.
Yummy.
Tastes a little bit like.
I rank
See,
10.
by nap, she meant lay in bed and eat
Mom.
Skittles. Because
Oh.
once I closed the blind, she got a little upset.
My kind of nap.
We're on to the wafer cookies.
Would you like to try?
I love wafer cookies.
I rank these
I just want them.
10.
Lily, you're blocking the
9.
camera. Come over here. I'll bring all the Skittles over here, okay?
No,
I do
Get the
10.
Skittle.
Yeah.
This tastes like cardboard with icing, which I'm not mad about, but
10.
it does.
I'm gonna give it
outside.
a 4.
Or a
I give it a
cereal
10.
box.
You give it a 10?
Like a cereal
love
box with
cardboard.
icing.
Yeah, a cereal box that's like coated in the Lucky Charms.
Yeah, it has a little Lucky Charms dust on the outside, cereal box, and then it has a nice sweet icing inside.
9.
I went 9, only just because If they're like dipped in milk or tea, kind of melts that cardboard away.
ranch?
Maybe 8. Better do an 8.
Anyone know what she's saying?
You want more ranch?
Whoa.
You want more Skittles? We have more over here, Lily.
Hey, you can have
Okay,
some.
Come this
what do
way.
you think, Aiden?
I gave it a 10.
All right.
likes
What
his
should we try
snacks?
next? Twizzlers, Starburst.
Starburst.
All right. Let's each try a different flavor. Thank
Okay,
you.
who wants to try red?
I'll try red if no one wants to. I like red. I think I like red.
I'm
better
trying
than pink.
orange. I'm trying orange.
Red, orange. Wait, pink or yellow?
Pink.
You wanna try yellow?
Red?
You wanna try
Or
red?
pink?
Try red.
Okay.
I'll try yellow.
I don't like the yellow.
Who's doing pink?
You took the best one.
Who did? Me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you
Pink is
take
the
pink.
best.
Here's pink. I'll trade.
Kitty, I literally said, what color does everyone want? And you went,
Sometimes I hear words and it sounds like Mad Gab. And people are like, oh, Italian, huh? And I'm like, what?
all right, what do you think? What flavor do you have? Orange?
Oh,
I
good.
have yellow.
Okay.
Oh, I was supposed to try.
No, you can have the whole thing.
Chewy.
Yellow?
Oh, Lily, is that too good for you?
I would say 9.5.
Can you have it? Thank you.
It was just in her mouth.
It's
Bite
a
it.
Skittles time.
Bite it.
I give Starburst a 10. Okay, they're so good.
Uh,
No.
flavor
sit
is
and
really,
eat it.
really good.
Look at all the Skittles.
I probably like
No, those are too big.
2,000 in my lifetime.
2,000 Starburst?
Probably.
No way.
Over the time, my lifetime easily.
Amazing.
So
It's a
I'm
lot.
just gonna give them a 7 now.
Wow.
You know how you get tired of something?
All right, we have 4 things
Wait,
left.
I gave it a 6.
Twizzlers. Should we open those?
Yep. I only have Doritos.
Doritos.
I only have
Aiden's donuts and cookies.
And then we get to eat the rest, whatever we want.
Yeah, because I'm not full at all.
Yeah, not me.
What are you doing,
Okay.
Lily?
You can have the big half.
Hi.
I like those peely Twizzlers, but I don't know if I like the flavor.
I don't
It's
like
just
peely
fun.
They're more fun, but the flavor of these are way better in my opinion. I'm gonna split it. You having the whole
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we should eat like Lady and the Tramp.
Cheers.
You can be the tramp.
Wait a minute. I don't have a belly shirt on.
Aaron, let's eat like the lady in the tramp.
Okay.
Well,
Aiden gave up too.
If Katie and I did it, we would not give up.
So you don't mind eating off the floor, Aiden?
I put them on the floor for Lily.
where did
Dog
Lily
food.
go? Okay.
Okay, I give Twizzlers a 6.
I didn't stop chewing my Starburst, so I couldn't really taste it. So I'm gonna still eat this.
I give it a 2.
A 2? Ooh, I spit.
Twizzler?
I give 3
Is she
and a
calling
half.
my name or?
I give 3 and a
Yeah.
half. Uncle Dave, I give 3 and a half for Twix.
Oh my god. Relax.
Not so crazy about it?
He says 3.5 and then he starts like
5.
shoveling them. Okay. We have Doritos and donuts. Oh, and cookies left. Okay.
Let's do the donuts.
Katie wanted to do the cookies, so.
Okay.
But we're doing donuts?
I'm excited for Doritos. Are there any?
We're doing donuts!
Donut, immediate 10.
Whoa. I don't think I'm gonna be that. Okay. Split one.
Definitely. Or even a quarter. Just a taste.
Immediate 10 for me.
It's okay. These are weird because I don't think I want them and then I can't stop eating them. I'm gonna give it a 4.
5.
Aiden, you give it an immediate 10?
Yeah.
All right, next challenge, we're gonna mix all this up in a blender and you have to eat it.
thinking 4. I say 5, and then I hear somebody else and they go the number lower, and it's like, that's what I was thinking
You're like,
about.
oh yeah, that's what it is. All right, should we do Doritos and then Famous Amos?
Actually,
Is
you know
it
what? I might
Famous
even go down
Amos
to
or
the
Famous
3.
Amos? Careful, you're gonna knock it over.
Doritos next.
And I probably should have given the popcorn a higher number.
I just gave 4 10s to the Doritos.
a time.
I'm gonna look my.
Doritos. Doritos. Do-do, 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 do-do.
Thank you.
Fins up.
Those are good.
Wow.
I still like Cheetos better.
I'd have to say so too, but these definitely get a 10.
10 for me.
Crisp, flavor, salt,
Or the
cheesy.
Doritos. Not Cool Ranch.
Did you try the donut?
I didn't.
If you wanted original.
The OG.
Here, here's
Your what?
your vitamins.
The Skittles are her vitamins.
How do you like that donut?
I have a Cheeto.
How do you like the donut?
You mean a Dorito?
Yeah.
Can you give it a number?
8.
No.
Do you like it?
Oh, your belly.
Donut.
Yeah, what do you give the donut? Okay, I'll take another Dorito. Oh, wait, Katie didn't get
9.
to try the Dorito.
I'll try another one.
There's like none left. I wonder why.
These were definitely, you were right. Cameraman knew.
Katie gave it an 8.
Where were you?
Okay, we have one
Doritos?
more.
Last thing.
She's
The
chicken.
cookies.
Famous
There's
Amos.
something else there too.
Famous Amos. Oh, the Ritz. We didn't get those from the vending machine though.
Oh.
They're just like a bonus snack. Oops. Okay.
What else did we miss?
Ow.
Oh, those are Katie's.
Famous Amos cookies.
We're doing the cookies, Katie.
Famous Amos. Famos.
Okay.
Famas. Lily, can you come over here and eat it?
No. 9.5 for the quarter.
Well, that would be 9
What?
3/4.
Yeah. 9 3/4.
Wow, it's what's missing to make it a 10 for you?
What's missing?
Oh,
Without-
chocolate fudge on the outside.
Without the all greasy stuff.
All the
yeah.
dust.
Yeah.
The cookie crumbs.
Yeah, maybe they're like smashed around in there a little bit too much.
Mm. I don't know.
I don't think they're not very fresh. Let's look at the date on the package.
Everything's expired. I give them a 5.
They are normally really, really good. I have a feeling they sat in there since the summer.
Oops.
Well, we gained a few people, we lost a few people doing this, but
Katie is the one that wanted them, and I think she should judge.
we should tally those up later and see who ranked things
What's
the
the
highest.
date?
I think I did.
Me
Can
too.
you get the date?
Let's do
What
Lady
number?
and the Tramp. With this.
I gave it a 9.
Aren't they stale?
I love these cookies.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do this and then we're gonna say bye.
So did they taste stale to you, or were they quality?
No, they're more stale than usual.
I got more.
I think they're from like the beginning
Okay,
of the
thanks so
summer.
much for watching our vending machine video. Let us know what your favorite vending machine
And
snack
comment
is.
down below.
Comment down below which one you
Give
want to
that a
try.
thumbs up.
Bye.
So.
What do you think, Aiden?